Now, coming to competition analysis, again, a very important aspect of problem discovery, because we wanted to understand what are the strengths, the weaknesses of our competition. And not only that, we also wanted to understand what is it that they were doing right, and what is it that they were not doing right, because those were our opportunities, and those were the areas where we could make a difference. And we played around with their platforms. We tried to understand what are the basic functionalities that they were providing, because that also will determine the bare minimum MVP that we were going to build, because we do not want to ship something that was so basic and so bare that people would not even consider coming onto our platform. So competition analysis, direct competition analysis, that way is very important, because that kind of gives you a fair assessment of the minimum viable product that you need to build to make sure you are at least in the consideration set of your users.